Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday, happy hump day to you. Another day in the market. See what it is. See what it do. Um, Urgent news. Donald Trump want to do a ceasefire, but he want them to open up the Strait of Hormuz, or however you pronounce that first. So you're not gonna do a ceasefire until they open it up. So we're gonna see how this is gonna go. But today is the first day of April. Happy April Fools to you. March already gone. We got 8 more months to get it in, and showing you how fast time going by and this year flying by. I'm currently down in Orlando for spring break. I can remember when I was eating oysters on New Year's Eve night, and it's already spring break. So, oh yeah. Anyway, just a quick little rant, just thinking about the time. But subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. Let's go get these dividend stocks, these growth stocks, man. Urgent buys, urgent sales, urgent news. We're going to start with Nike. Had good earnings. They beat earnings on yesterday. I didn't really deep dive into it because I was in I was in SeaWorld when the earnings came out. I was kind of pissed about it because I was expecting some good earnings. So I did go in kind of hard at it. The lower my average call because I really did expect good earnings on this one. But like I said, the apparel industry in that sector, also like the food, will never let you down, man. They the most volatile. That's why I say I'm gonna trade myself up out of Nike. Got rid of a bunch of other apparel stuff, but Nike will be next. My sell target at things is $56. If it squeezes up to that, I am out. Gonna sell some shares and rinse and repeat. Um, my average cost is 58. I got a bunch of shares I brought at like 53 and under. So I can make me just $2, $3 a share. I'm gonna take it and run. And that's gonna be it with Nike. But I am gonna buy it every day still. Gonna dollar cost average in at these levels. Might just be came in as a trade, gonna end up as an investor. I actually did come in as an investor of Nike though. You couldn't go wrong with it. But like I say, Nike not the same company it was a long time ago. As you can see in the charts, if you want to chart it. If I go here and go all time, there we go. Let's go the last 5 years just to see. You can see it's down 65%. So just gonna dollar cost average on in that one. Think of any sales. What else I had come? GSBD, Goldman Sachs BDC is another one. I accumulated some more shares of this. I were like 868, 870. Put another buy limit order in at 868 and 870 again. Got a dividend payout coming out, 32 cents a share. They just paid a special dividend like last week. But the other piece of the dividend, I guess, it was like 12 cents or something. But that's the next payment, man. 600 shares of that. I got a sell limit order, which I need to raise the quantity. Cause everything, this gonna be a swing trade. Stuff I'm buying like now at 880 and none, I'm gonna sell at 947, rinse and repeat. Keep the rest for the dividend. So that's GSBT, GPMT. I did have the sell order go through on yesterday. It's back down to 134 now. I sold what it was 95 shares at $1.50. That's why you got to, I ain't gonna say learn charting. You got to be no expert learning candles and all, but at least know how to do the 30 to 90 day average, what I call it. That's how I chart. I just do the squeeze, the days that squeeze. I take my profits on the stocks I brought, the share, how many shares I brought, just to lower my average cost. I rinse and repeat it. But 95 at $1.50. These shares I brought at like 130. I can show you better in history. Let me go right back to it. See, I sold 95 at 150. Before that, I brought 25 at 140, 141, 143, 146, 141, 144, and all the way to 148. I even sold the shares at 148. A little 2 cent made a difference anyway. Like I said, I brought that to lower my average cost, keep the remaining shares for the run. Now I got average cost of $1.48. think I was like at 168 or somewhere before then. But I brought 25 shares today at 140. And not 140. I did buy 120. I sold at 150 and I brought at 140. Right, correct. I'm about to say I sold at 140 and brought at 140. I'm sorry. Anyway, going back in 132. Expect to do the same thing when it decides to run back up. I'm gonna dump it. Get 25 right there. You see the lower that average cost. I'm at 148, so I ain't got to come down much. I'm gonna hit it here the next couple of days. I'm just probably get just 5 shares when it's in my buy range. We did Nike GPMT. Let's go GIS. Going to get through this trade. $36.57. It went down to. Go ahead and get you some, man. 6.53% dividend yield. HRL, Hormel Foods, also a dividend play. I know they make the meat company, 5.13% yield, market cap 12.2 billion. Another one and a half, think they're dividend king. SRLN, over 8% dividend yield, got down to 39.87. Paid between like 25 to 28 cents a share every month. Passive income play. Got FLO, Flowers Foods, down to 786 today. 12.15% dividend yield, and then squeeze back to 9. I'm selling all these shares I'm getting. Hood. $69.27. I'm at $77.91, 52 shares. Matter of fact, let me go get some Hood. I didn't buy any today. Ain't got to buy a lot. Just dollar cost averaging on in. So far, $11 with $15.54. Robinhood, I plan on selling some shares between 78 and 82 bucks. How long it's gonna take to get back there is the question. Got Bull, $4.80, $4.60. I got some sell limit orders. She gonna let me go and buy something. I don't want to erase my sell limit orders. They let me do it. Should they let me get by again with it? I want to get some at 480. They let me do one. Anyway, that's Robinhood, man, just for y'all to learn. If you're really trying to get your trade on, man, it'd be tripping unless you got the 25 grand sitting and you won't be a pattern day trader. I had a margin account, so it is what it is. IWMY, my average cost is $19.84. Got my buy limit orders placed, so I'm going to just chill on that for now, let it do its thing. Let's see, pull on back. Cash up just a little bit. BTCC pays bi-weekly $15.64. It's at $15.73. I'm going to go get some at that price. I like this is 16 and under. Got earn 8 cents a share every month. Going at 442 before this go back to the 525 range. Got ticker TU Tellus. It's at 1286, 1294 today. It's a buy anytime under the $13 mark. Ticker RPT. Another one I buy every day, dollar cost averaging in. Like a 10% dividend yield on the swing trade. This around 19 bucks when it decided to take off. It's EOL. It's 28 to 30 cents a share every month. 1536. 1547. XLF $49.14. Got this in my Roth. Dollar day recurrence. I'm gonna leave it alone, see if it's pulled back some more. If it does, you never know what Trump might do. Might say something crazy and it go back down dealing with this war. ECP every month, 514. We'll add a little piece of this on. Just gonna go back to the 560, what I'm expecting. I'm gonna keep this position, but I'm gonna sell some in my other portfolio. 772. I'm at 767. I can leave OPP alone. Now, why I say you just buy once you're above your average cost. It's just something you just want for the long term. You can pretty much chill out and cash up. PCF on its way back up. Got YMAX and YMAG. Just gonna get my little $3 worth. $2 to $3. It's dollar cost averaging on in. Let's go back to the $13 range. This need to go back to the $9, preferably 10. Just reinvest dividends back into it. They pay out every week. QQQY. Some nice cash flow here, man. I mean, killing that at the 20 and under mark. PFLT, I'm going at $7.86. I want to hit a swing trade on this one too. Pays out every month, 10.2 cents a share. Get some clip. Now let's on this way like it's trying to climb back up. Lower that average cost at the same time. Should pay 51 cents a share for this month. Usually pay about 58 to 68 cents a share. We'll go with ORC. Go and get some of that at $6.98. That charge point. I'm gonna chop that out for the week. This one here been getting killed. Be a swing trade, like I say, man. You ain't gonna see nothing about 2027, 28 with charge point. A lot of people selling it, buying and selling it, buying and selling it. When they squeeze, better off doing the same thing. Got DEA. Nice quarterly dividend play right here. Trading the sideways pattern. Don't want to go up, don't want to go down. A 4.4% dividend yield. HPP. Another one, buy below 6, sell above 6 when it does squeeze. And with SPIT, S&P 500, last one on my list. It's gonna go back past the second in the mid $17 range. I'm still buying. Pay between like 26, 32 cents a share, depending on the price. All right, let's go check out charts, man. Go check out traps I'm in, and we can get on out of here. I want to hit another trade on HRZN too, between that $4.7 and $4 range. That KHC, another one you could be dollar cost averaging on in too. She'll have over 7.11% yield. SCM had bad earnings. Monthly dividend play. See SCM. Need to chart that out every week and add some shares on that. Got GPMT, CHMI, another one. Just don't want to hit the $3 mark for nothing. I got a sell limit order at 286, if I'm not mistaken. I just don't want to touch it. I got an average cost at 225. Got a dividend coming. 20% dividend yield. 10 cents a share every quarter. ARCC was down. 1762. Mary's Capital. All right, give me my average cost, man. Robinhood app acting up again. I'm at 1888. Pays out every month. 10.65% yield. Average capital, definitely a nice stock to have. For that for sure, dividend yield. OBDC. It's another one I need to start swinging. Along with TCPC, two nice quarterly yield payers, BDCs, business development companies. Some quarterly cash flow there. Waiting on this to bust across that 290 mark, man. We got 409 shares at that price. What's the 52-week high now? 587, making new lower 52-week highs. It's Oak Tree Lending, 1118. $14.16% dividend yield. Another one need to come down in. XOMO Energy stocks. Coming down a little bit. I think XOMO and YMAX. I'm thinking about taking my profit on this one and running. We're gonna see XOMO. Sell. So that's in YMAX. I can just deal with that one. Check in a minute. About to hit me another swing on Wendy's. That's an excellent start to swing trade. See these oil stocks, they still up though, but just keep them for your dividend that pay out every week. Got HPP. I brought some MSTY like $22. I got a sell limit order at 24 to rinse repeat to lower my average cost. Got that on $2 to $3 a day recurring too. Should be up MLPI. And that's it. Y'all enjoy your day, man. Stay safe out there. Go get your money.